wonder how this fan works?
Me? No. I know. Huh? Huh? Actually, this fan use magnet to generate the motor. Don't worry guys, let me explain more.
Have you ever wondered how an electric fan spins continuously and keep us cool? The answer is magnetism. Magnetism is a phenomenon related to magnetic fields that are produced by moving electric charges. When electric current flows through a wire or conductor, it creates magnetic force. This magnetic force helps many devices work in our daily life, including the electric fan we use every day. Without magnetism, the fan will not be able to function at all. So, what are the magnetic components inside an electric fan? There are three main components: the electric motor, the electromagnet, and the permanent magnet. These three parts work together to rotate the fan blades and produce airflow. Each part has its own role, but all of them depend on magnetism. First, let us look at the electric motor. The electric motor is the most important part of the fan. You can think of it as the heart of the electric fan. Its job is to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. In simple words, it changes electricity into movement. This movement allows the fan blades to spin and produce airflow. Without the motor, the fan cannot work. Next is the electromagnet. An electromagnet is created when electric current flows through a wire coil. When this happens, a magnetic field is produced around the coil. This magnetic field creates force that helps push the motor to rotate. This process is called electromagnetism. This is the one of the most important physics concepts used in electric fans. Now, let us look at the permanent magnet. The permanent magnet provides a constant magnetic field inside the motor. It works together with the electromagnet to create movement. Their interaction helps the motor rotate smoothly and keeps the fan spinning. Unlike the electromagnet, the permanent magnet does not need electricity to produce magnetism. It is always magnetic. So, why is magnetism so important in an electric fan? Magnetism helps the fan rotate smoothly, produce better airflow, and work more efficiently. It also helps reduce noise and save electricity. This means the fan becomes quieter, stronger, and more energy efficient. Without magnetism, the fan would not be able to operate properly. Now, imagine if the magnet becomes weak or damaged. What will happen? The motor cannot rotate properly, the fan may become slow, noisy, or even stop working completely. Without magnetism, no movement can happen inside the fan. This clearly shows how important magnetism is for the fan's performance. Let's see how the process happens step by step. First, electricity flows through the wire coil. Second, a magnetic field is created. Third, this magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnet. Then the motor shaft starts to rotate. As the shaft rotates, the fan blades spin. Finally, airflow is produced and the fan works normally. This is how magnetism helps the electric fan function every day. As a conclusion, magnetism is the key factor that allows an electric fan to function. It creates motion, improves comfort, and helps support better living. Without magnetic force, the motor cannot work and the fan cannot produce airflow. So next time you switch on your fan, remember there is invisible magnetic force working inside it.
Electric fans are very important in modern life. They improve comfort, ventilation, and air circulation in homes, schools, hospitals, offices, and factories. In hospitals, proper airflow helps improve patient comfort. In workplace and classroom, good ventilation helps people stay focused and productive. Without electric fans, daily life would be less comfortable, especially in hot weather. Now, we connect this topic with Nakli and Akli knowledge. In Surah Al-Furqan, verse 48,
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وهو الذي أرسل الرياح بشرا بين يدي رحمته.
Allah says, and we send the wind as good tidings before our mercy. This verse reminds us that air and wind are blessings from Allah. Electric fans help us use this blessing wisely by improving airflow and comfort in our daily life. Scientific knowledge or Akli knowledge help us understand how magnetism works inside the fan. Islamic teaching or Nakli knowledge remind us to appreciate Allah's blessing and use technology responsibly. This shows that science and religion are not separate but work together to improve humans' life. In conclusion, magnetism plays an invisible but essential role in electric fans. It creates motion, improves comfort, and helps support better living.